Deep beneath the surface of the earth, some things were created that humans might spend an entire lifetime and still never get the chance to see. They are not gold, they are not ordinary diamonds, they are masterpieces formed over millions of years under the unimaginable pressure of the earth. Some gemstones are so small that they can fit perfectly in the palm of a hand, yet their value is enough to buy some of the most luxurious buildings in the world. What is even more astonishing? It's not the money, but the fact that some of them are almost impossible to appear for a second time. Every gemstone is a story about time, about luck, and about the secrets that this planet has hidden for millions of years. Today, we will explore the most expensive and rarest gemstones ever discovered by humanity. In the world of gemstones, blue has always been one of the most desired colors, but finding a perfect blue diamond is almost like a miracle. The heart of eternity was discovered at the Premier Mine in South Africa, a place famous for producing many legendary diamonds throughout history. But what makes this gemstone truly special is not only its breathtaking blue appearance, it is the extremely low chance of its formation. Among millions of diamonds that have been mined, only a very small number possess a natural blue color. The heart of eternity weighs 27.6 carats, an astonishing size for a blue diamond. Its fame even attracted the attention of those who wanted to steal this precious gemstone, but the attempt failed, and the diamond remains one of the rarest treasures ever created. A gemstone that is valuable not only because of its beauty, but also because of the story behind it. The Wittelsbach Graph diamond is a perfect example. This blue diamond originated from the legendary gemstone mines of India, a place that once produced some of the most famous stones in history. After being brought to Europe, it became a part of royalty. Through many generations, the gemstone was passed down as a symbol of power and wealth. But history is never simple. After major events and upheavals in the world, it disappeared many years later. The mysterious diamond appeared again. It was then recut to enhance its perfection, and eventually it was sold for tens of millions of dollars. Some diamonds amaze people because of their size, but others capture the world's attention simply because natural orange diamonds are among the rarest types of diamonds in the world. They are only found in a few regions on Earth, but the orange diamond pushed all limits with a weight of 14.82 carats. It is much larger than ordinary orange diamonds. When it appeared at an auction, it quickly became the center of attention. Eventually, it was sold for more than $35 million. A gemstone with a color that nature rarely creates. There is a type of gemstone that if its mining source disappears, humans may never find another one again. That gemstone is tanzanite. This stone has only been discovered in one location, the Merelani Hills in Tanzania, near the foot of Mount Kilimanjaro. What makes tanzanite special is its ability to change colors. Under natural light, it shows a deep blue color, but under artificial light, it transforms into a mysterious purple shade. Discovered in 1967, tanzanite quickly became one of the most sought-after gemstones in the world, but its supply is limited, and that is exactly what makes it even more valuable. In the remote mountains of Colombia, hidden deep beneath the ground, are emeralds with a green color unlike anything else in the world. They are known as Chivor emeralds. Their color comes from a rare combination of elements inside the crystal. Not only are they beautiful, they also carry a history that spans hundreds of years. Since the time of ancient civilizations, humans have considered these emerald symbols of power and beauty. There was a time when painite was considered the rarest mineral on Earth. It was discovered in Myanmar during the 1950s. But what makes painite astonishing is the way it is formed. To create a painite crystal, nature requires an almost perfect combination: temperature, pressure, and special chemical elements. Even a small deviation could prevent the gemstone from ever existing. Therefore, every painite specimen discovered is like an incredibly rare gift from nature. In the world of gemstones, there are beautiful stones, there are expensive stones, but there are also gemstones so rare that finding one is almost a historic event. Red beryl is one of them. It is also known as the red emerald. But the truth is, red beryl is far rarer than many other famous gemstones. To form this gemstone, nature requires an extremely unique balance of chemical elements. Even a slight change during its formation process could cause the gemstone to never appear at all. What makes red beryl stand out the most is its fiery red color, from bright red to a deep crimson shade within the crystal. In 1904, a special specimen was discovered in Utah, United States, and since then, red beryl has become one of the most sought-after gemstones among collectors. A small gemstone, but with enormous value. There are things that humans search for over decades, yet still cannot find. Muscovite is one example. It is one of the rarest gemstones ever discovered. Its rarity comes from an incredibly complex formation process. It requires an environment with extremely high temperatures, enormous pressure, and the exact combination of many elements deep within the earth, something that rarely happens. At one point, the number of gem-quality muscovite specimens known to exist could be counted on one hand. This made it one of the gemstones that many collectors could only dream of owning. The appearance of muscovite is just as extraordinary. A blue color, mixed with purple, like light reflecting beneath the depths of the ocean, a beauty that very few other gemstones can match. In 1883, a chance discovery changed the world of mineralogy. In the remote mountains of Siberia, mineralogist Pavel Jeremejev discovered a strange blue crystal. It looked unlike any gemstone known before. After further research, scientists confirmed that it was an entirely new mineral, and it was named Jeremejevite. What makes it special is not only its beauty, but also it's an almost unbelievable rarity. Large, transparent, Jeremejevite crystals with beautiful colors can become treasures worth millions of dollars. It is like a secret that the earth accidentally revealed. Sometimes, the greatest discoveries come from the most unexpected moments. In 1945, a gemstone collector received a stone that he believed was a spinel, but when it was examined more carefully, something unexpected happened. It was not spinel. It was a completely new type of mineral. Taphite was born from a mistake, but that very mistake placed it on the list of the rarest gemstones in the world. Taphite has a light purple color, pink, or a greyish-purple shade. Its delicate appearance makes it a gemstone especially sought after by collectors. But what truly makes it valuable? The fact is that finding a new one is almost impossible. There is a gemstone that makes people question their own eyes because it can change its color. That gemstone is alexandrite. Under daylight, it displays a beautiful green color. But when the light changes, it transforms into red or purple, a phenomenon that is extremely rare in nature. Alexandrite was discovered in the Ural Mountains during the 19th century, and it quickly became a gemstone associated with the Russian royal family. Its name was also given to honor Tsar Alexander II. But what makes Alexandrite truly expensive is not only its color, it is its strange ability to transform. One gemstone, two appearances, and a beauty that is almost impossible to replicate. Garnet is a familiar type of gemstone, but blue garnet is completely different because most garnets have red or orange colors, but blue garnet is an extremely rare phenomenon. Under natural light, it can appear with a cool blue color, but under artificial light, it changes into a reddish-purple shade. This transformation leaves collectors deeply amazed, because only a very small number of gemstones in the world have this ability. Blue garnet is not just a gemstone, it is like a performance of light trapped inside a crystal. Among millions of diamonds that have been mined, only an extremely small number possess a natural pink color. Pink diamond is a symbol of luxury. But what makes it valuable? Is it almost an absolute rarity? Large pink diamonds are extremely difficult to find, and each carat of them can reach astonishing prices. The Argyle mine in Australia was once the world's most famous source of pink diamonds, but when this mine closed, the remaining pink diamonds became even more valuable, because once they disappear, in the world of colored diamonds, blue diamonds have always held a special position. They are extremely rare, and their mysterious blue color comes from the presence of boron inside the crystal structure. The most famous example is the Hope Diamond, a gemstone that once belonged to royalty, a gemstone that once disappeared. It became one of the most famous stones in history, but above everything else, there is the Red Diamond, a gemstone so rare that it is almost impossible to exist. Only a few dozen are known to exist around the world. Its red color does not come from impurities. Instead, it comes from a structural change within the crystal. Every red diamond is a miracle of nature, a gift that takes millions of years to form. These gemstones are not valuable only because of their price. They are stories buried deep within the earth. Each gemstone is a trace of time, a piece of evidence showing that nature can create things far beyond human imagination. But one question remains. Deep beneath unexplored lands, are there still other gemstones waiting to be discovered? Or are the greatest treasures still lying silently in the darkness?